ARRIS presents the Touchstone Telephony Modem. The Touchstone Telephony Modem is an embedded multimedia terminal adapter, or EMTA, for delivering voice and high-speed data access over the Internet. The Touchstone Telephony Modem has an adaptable, feature-rich design that provides the flexibility to interoperate quickly in any packet cable-based network. Features include 2 lines of telephone service, a bridged USB and Ethernet interface, up to 20 hours of battery backup capabilities, and proven carrier-grade performance. All of this means the Touchstone Telephony Modem can deliver services and quality equal to or better than what consumers have come to expect from their ILEC. This video has been developed to show you how to install an ARRIS Touchstone Telephony Modem. Before you install the telephony modem, be sure to check the following: the subscriber name, address, new telephone number, and telephony modem serial number. The accessibility of house wiring, such as cable, telephone, and power. And check that the telephony modem has been provisioned at the head end.